Yo, what is going on, guys? Crypto Richie here, hanging out with you today. And thanks for tuning in. So, before we get started, if you guys are watching this live, do me a favor and quickly click down below, chat with me, and let me know if you guys can hear me and see me, and the audio is good, all that. It's kind of hilarious. We were on a stream yesterday, and some guy commented, like, he's like, dude, he's like, dude, He's like, "You need to up your game on your streams, man." He's like, "Good stream, bro, but you need to up your game on the streams. It looks like you're streaming in from Nigeria." I'm like, what the fuck does that mean? And then he was commenting about some other coins or whatever. I mean, yesterday I was in my Bang bus over there. So yeah, I was in my bus streaming. I'll show you the bus. You guys want to see the bus? A little pimped out little scooter here. All right, so let's go. Let's quickly take a look at where I was streaming from yesterday. So I was streaming from that sucker over there. That's like pretty much my office on my piece of property here. Like it's a off grid. Got solar panels. Pretty cool inside actually. 40-foot bus. We got my animals over here. Beautiful day today. Anyway, let's get into the charts. Thank you guys for tuning in. And you guys that are tuning in right now, do me a favor, type in the chat where you guys are tuning in from, and let me know. I'm just curious where you guys are tuning in from. So we're going to be talking about some meme coins today, like my total degenerate meme coin plays. We're going to talk about Solana. I'm not sure how much you guys are into Solana, but I made a lot of money off of Solana last cycle. Especially playing around with Solana NFTs. So I don't know if you guys are into NFTs and all that, but I still kind of dabble in that. But what I'm looking to do here is just build a community of like-minded people who just want to create wealth through crypto. So yeah, let's get into. I'm going to share my screen. Arizona, awesome. Yeah, I've been to Arizona a few times, and pretty pretty cool place with Tex-Mex. All right, let me share my screen. I guess we'll do entire screen here, and then let me kind of come over here. Let me turn. Yeah, I think we're good. All right. So let's quickly talk about, and if you guys have any questions during the stream, just type them down in the chat. And then if you want me to look at some meme coins or whatever, we could just hang out for a little while. I was on for like 55 minutes yesterday. Today, I don't know how long I'm going to be on, but let's just take a look at the strength so far in some of these meme coins. So let's just cover Brett quickly. We had a little dip. We had a little dip earlier yesterday from like 19 to I think it was down to like 1780 or something, and we have a little bounce. This is the 4-hour chart, the daily. I think we went down to 15 yesterday, actually. Let me take a look open this chart up a little bit. So yesterday we were down to 1510, and then we popped all the way back up to 1940 today, and we're at 1845 at the moment. So, there's a lot of volume with Brett. And when you guys are looking at volume on any type of services like this, like Dex Screener or Dex Tools, just keep in mind that the volume that you see here, not 6.2 million, the 4.7, that's pretty much through this pair only on Sushi Swap. So if you guys want to get the full volume, like how much volume this thing is really trading at, something simple. I mean, you could add it up if you want. Like check out the other, exchanges where they're not exchanges, but even the dexes like Uniswap, like how much the pairs are trading at, the volume wise. But you could just go to CoinGecko, right? Here's another one that I'm looking at, CatWIF Hat. I've been in it for months, and I'm up like almost 300% on CatWIF Hat. But let's just check out Brett quickly here. And then I want to show you, like, this is where you can get the real volume. So let's just, all right. So hold on. How come I can't click here? Here we go. So Brett. Okay. So let's take a look at Brett. She's up 22% overnight. So if you look at the 24-hour trading volume, you got 173 million. So Brett has by far the biggest trading volume on some of these meme coins. I mean, not, Doge has more, but out of Andy, Brett, and Boys Club, and like this whole Boys Club meme coins, right? Bird Dog, a Land Wolf, all that. Like Brett has the most trading volume, 173. So if you're like, where is all this volume coming from? You just scroll down and you could just see the markets here. So you can see on gate.io, 24-hour volume, you got 48 million just on gate.io. Bybit 30 million, OrangeX, BitGet, and then you got Uniswap, kind of where I like to do all my trades. Or Sushi Swap, you got 6.5 million. Sushi Swap 4.7 million. Uniswap V3 21 million. Right, so this is where all that volume is actually coming from. So if you're just on Dex Tools like this and you just pull up a chart, this volume is only through these pairs over here on Sushi Swap. I'm just putting it out there, guys, just so some of you newbies know. South Dakota, what's up, gang? Tuning in from LA. What's going on, bro? Could you check on Bohm, boss? Yep, I'll check on Bohm, South Dakota. So let's take a look at Andy. All right, so Andy on ETH. It looks to me that we're kind of creating this bull flag kind of look here. We came up, and now we're chopping sideways pretty much. So as long as we keep consolidating here, I think we're going to have a next leg up, and it's pretty strong. I mean, Andy on ETH is also very strong. Just on this pair here, you got $6.7 million volume. Okay, so Andy on ETH looks pretty strong to me. Andy on base is also forming a bull flag if you take a look at this, right? I mean, you could see that in the past couple of days, the markets did crash. Bitcoin did come down, but a lot of these strong memes pretty much hardly budged, went down a little, and then came back again. So, a lot of strength in these meme coins, and I'm really surprised on Andy on base as well. It's like it's holding really well. I think I'm going to add another half of an Ethereum with it very soon. Just want to see where this plays out in the next couple days. Let's check out Andy on. I knew this was going to be a good play. Andy on Blast. Like I said the other day, I was going to pull the trigger. Then I had somebody come here to repair my hot tub. And then I left. By the time I came back, it was up like 100% right over here. Because you can see that we came down, touch support, right? This is our major support back when it first started. Okay, we came down in April. We popped back up. We came down in May, on the May 2nd. We popped back up. We came back down on June 7th. And then boom, recovery and bounce. So I think as long as we kind of trend upward, create a bull flag and keep going up, that'll be good. But the more times you bounce off of a trend line, the weaker that trend line goes. So that means it could flush back down in the future if it keeps on banging on this support line here. Right. But I don't know. I don't think so. I think we're just going to kind of like level out from here and then just gradually go up on Blast. So let's take a look at Pepe. Pepe is looking pretty, okay. He's kind of bouncing off this upward trend line here. And I think as long as we stay above it, this trend line, If we do break, we might come down into the 1098 level, like right around here. And if we break that, we could come back down to, 0.059132 here, this level over here, if we do break it. But I'm keeping my eye on Pepe here because I would consider nibbling. Oh, wrong. I would consider grabbing a small bag. I do have a small bag of Pepe right now, but I actually got rid of my Pepe a long time ago. I don't really have any Pepe, but I would consider grabbing some if we bounce down to this level over here. But we're gonna have to see, because if Bitcoin flushes, then we're all gonna have another chance to get more coins. If it doesn't, then we're just gonna go up and it's gonna be parabolic. I mean, guys, we're still early in this bull market. We're very, very early. Okay, so one coin that I really want to talk about, that I've been in since the beginning, is CWIF hat. Now, this is a Solana coin. Wow, look at this beautiful bounce it had. And I just made these marks this morning, these trend lines this morning. Take a look at this. So here's that high pivot. I just drew it straight across because it looks like it was just kind of bouncing, and boom, it just bounced right off of it right here today. It went up. It literally went up today. It was on this pivot right here on this trend line. So it went up today. It says it 23%, but let me just like 22%. Yeah, pretty much it. And the reason why I like CWIF hat is because it has one of the largest airdrops on Solana, like one of the largest, 1.62 million. I think a lot of people haven't even started trading it yet. It was like literally nothing happening here until February 27th. It started to go, made a bottom here in May, and then just popped. I literally got in. We'll kind of show you what pricing I got in at. We'll take a look at my little portfolio of my little CWIF hat bag here. But we don't have a lot of volume. Actually, let's just pull up. I do have CWIF hat pulled up here. So it actually does have a good amount of volume. About $12 million trading volume in 24 hours. It is on some exchanges here. Poloniex has the biggest trading volume, I think. No, it doesn't. Fluxbeam. What the hell am I looking at here? No. Yeah, my bad. $2.2 million volume on that one. You got 2 million on CoinW. I've never traded on these. Radium, you got 200,000, 1.6 million on L Bank. I've never even used L Bank. I don't know if you guys even used it. $1 million on P2B. Like, I don't even know most of these, but Poloniex, Radium, Bitmart are the only ones that I know of as far as exchanges. But this, I mean, CWIF hat, I think is gonna turn heads in the future. I mean, we're at a $48 million market cap, and we got a ton of holders. And Dogwif hat literally blew off the lid, and I think this is just going to be another one. If you take a look at their Twitter, also, there's a ton of followers, a lot of engagement, a ton of engagement on their posts, a ton, 167,000 followers. Some of the big dudes are following them. Let's just look at some of their engagement. I mean, you got 1,800 likes on a post, 866 likes. Some of these are reposts, 700 posts. I mean, likes. So if I were you and you guys are on Solana, you like Solana, I would look into CWIF hat. I think this is going to be a big one. I think this is going to get into the billions. We're only at a $57 million market cap. The reason why I found out about this was because I got the airdrop, And when I got the airdrop, I literally added to my bag because I missed out on bonk. I forgot how much bonk I got, but I got a $5,000 airdrop of bonk when it happened, and then it shot up to like $30,000. My bonk bag, and I sold part of it. I sold some of it, but I was like, the next time, because if I would have held on bonk or bought more when I got that bonk airdrop, it would have been ridiculous because my account was just popping and popping and popping earlier this year. So I said to myself, the next time I get an airdrop and I like it, after I do some research, I'm going to kind of add to my bag. And I did that with hat because I just knew the strength and the meme ability of dog with hat. I think once dog with hat starts popping again, getting into the deca billions, which I think it could, then I don't see how cat with hat can't get to a billion or two or three, even if dog with hats at 10 or 15 billion. You know what I mean? So that's kind of my thesis on cat with hat. Guys, are you liking this so far? Am I boring you? You guys liking this? Type in the chat. Let me know if you guys are liking it. Comment down below. Let me know where you're tuning in from. We got 14 people, 14 homies on the call right now. And I will look at, let's just go over my cat with hat portfolio quick. And then I will go over your questions and we could just kind of like look at some charts or talk about some crypto, or, through the next 20, 30 minutes or whatever. All right, guys. Awesome content. Awesome. You need to check out Ryoshi's project. Okay, cool. Yeah, I do. I heard about that. So, all right, guys. So let me just get into I just wanted to show you my cat with hat portfolio here. So, it's up 300% 290% in 3 months. If we take a look at it here, I have a $2,500 gain, 180% profit on my cat with hat bag. I got 2.8 billion worth about 4,000. I bought a small bag, so 25, 35. So I put about $1,400 in cat with hat, give or take. That was my investment. It doesn't. My average buy was this right here, 0.0004854. And so now my cat with hat bag is about 3,900. I don't plan to get rid of it. Actually, I'm just going to ride it out because we still have a long ways to go through this bull market. And yeah, I could take out my 1,400, but this was already up to like 6,500. My bag in general, my cat with hat bag in general, was at 65. I mean, we're in a pullback right now. You see it? It was at 65 when we were at the high, June 1 and June 3rd in this area, but now we pulled back. But I really feel that if you guys are on Solana and you want to grab a bag of something, I feel like this is going to be it's going to be a really incognito performer that's just going to pull up from the back and slap everybody in the face. So just keep it in mind. If you have some extra funds, if you're on Solana, if you guys are playing with Solana, then you can just get it on Radium or Jupiter Exchange. T-Mania, I've been looking into Trump Mania, thinking of getting a small bag of Trump Mania. But then I was having problems with Radium, basically getting my transactions approved. Like Radium has been pretty like choppy for me lately. I don't know why, but a lot of my orders have been going through a much easier on Jupiter. So if you guys want a DEX to trade on for Solana, check out jupe.ag. It's basically like Radium, or it's a Uniswap for Solana, right? You guys know, I'm sure. I don't know. I just don't know how much you guys know, because we got some newbies tuning in, and then we got some people who are total crypto degenerates like I am, and some of you guys already know how to do all this stuff and bridging and all that. So anyway, let's get back to the chat here. Hi, I'm new. I enjoy your discourse and I'm learning at the same time. Thank you. Awesome, guys. So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe down below. I'm going to try to stream daily for, 30 minutes to an hour. and just to hang out with you guys, check out coins, and all that. So just chill. You know what I'm saying? And if you guys are just tuning in, just type in the chat down below where you guys are tuning in from. I'm kind of curious. So let's take a look at Boom. Oh, that's book of meme, right? I do have a small bag of that, by the way. um, so let's actually just take a look at Boom right here. All right, so Boom is down. We're at a $700 million market cap. Let's pull it up on Solana and take a look at the chart. I don't really like looking at the charts on, CoinGecko and all that, because it's just, it just gives you a general idea. But $100 million trading volume, that's a lot of volume. Fully diluted. So let's take a look at Boom on Solana. Okay, Boom. Bye-bye CWIF hat. Okay, so 58 million liquidity, 132K. God damn, this shit has a lot. This is a heavy token, man. You got a lot of liquidity. So the lower the liquidity, keep this in mind, guys. The lower the liquidity, the easier it is for a price to pump. Okay, so if you put in $100,000 with $5 million liquidity versus $58 million liquidity, the pump is going to be so much more different. Okay, so I like to get into coins that are smaller than this because your upside potential is so much more. Why would you want to get in? I was in Boom very, very early. I traded it, right after launch, right around here. I made a little bit of money and I'm out. I have a small bag of Boom left, like literally small bag, like I don't know, maybe $500 or so, something like that. But it's trading. It doesn't look like there's much action, to be honest. Low volume. I mean, the volume is high, but for the amount of liquidity and the market cap, I mean, I don't know. I don't know if I want to get into Boom at the moment. So it's up to you. I mean, if you figure out how high do you think it can go, we're already at a 767 market cap. Let's take a look at Twitter. I haven't looked at this one in a while. I've been like so focused on Andy. 160,000 followers. Yeah, I mean, hey, you never know. This could just pump. Dark farms are yeah. This guy's hide. Leaked Boom chain white paper. A lot of engagement, I gotta say. A lot of engagement. I mean, you never know. Like, do you guys have any alpha on this? Like, let me know. Type it in the chat. God, what is this? All right, let's go back to new comments. All right, let's see. Jupiter is much better. How many cycles have you been through? I got in November 2017. So I got in literally at pretty much almost the peak of the 2017 market. I think I bought my first Bitcoin was around 10 or 11,000. Bought a shitload of Ethereum at $150. Traded CryptoPunks last cycle, literally selling not 7-figure, but high 6-figure CryptoPunks on OpenSea. I mean, did all that. I did all that. So this is my, I would say, my third cycle, because I got the 2017 cycle, but that was the end. So I wouldn't say I experienced a full cycle, right? But then I stacked up when we had the COVID crash. I literally bought a shitload of Bitcoin. And then I literally cashed out a bunch of Bitcoin to buy my house here in Hawaii back in 2021. So I've been around enough to know. And I the only major fuck up I made last cycle was got I made a shitload of money in NFTs, but then I invested too much into certain coins and kind of wrote it down. But I did take profit out. So I made profit, but I didn't come out with as much profit as I wanted because I put it into too many different coins, and some of those projects went under and whatever, right? But I'm still here. I'm still here. I've been buying during the bear. My bags are packed. And this is going to be a really, really exciting coming, 12 to 18 months coming. So, yeah, so I've been around for a little while. Let's see. Omikami, 64 billion market cap this run. Ryujin, 25 billion market cap this run. Bohm does not have much left in the gas tank. I agree with that. Andy on ETH and Dogbird on Sol. Actually, I haven't looked at Dogbird yet. I know Dogbird is around. For a 75K portfolio, how many coins would you recommend? What do you mean by that? Like, what do you mean? How many coins of what? What coins are you? And I don't want to I'm not giving financial advice here. I'm not going to tell you exactly, but I would kind of say what I would do. So yeah, my portfolio is pretty big. I think it's going to be much bigger, as we go through this bull market. Oh, for a 75K portfolio, how many coins would you diversify into, you mean? Well, it all depends on your strategy, man, and your time frame. Like, it's very hard. Like, if you're conservative, do you want to put half of that in, I wouldn't get Bitcoin anymore. Like Bitcoin, like your gains, you might do a 3, 4x this cycle, 5x, maybe 6x. Who knows? I don't know. Depends how high we go. But Ethereum's going to give you much more gains. Solana's going to give you much more gains. Some of these other layer one blockchains are going to give you more gains. It's just how conservative are you with that? You might want to put half of it in Ethereum right now, right before we start getting these ETFs, or even Solana. Solana is a much better play, I think. Also, me, I got a shitload in Ethereum and I got a shitload in Solana. Bitcoin, I only have very little. I think I got like $1,000 on Bitcoin. Like I stopped accumulating and buying Bitcoin last cycle. I sold all my Bitcoin, and I rotated into Ethereum. Get ready for a total market cap of easily 10 trillion. Peeps, we're still early. Absolutely. The humble one, I am right with you right there. I mean, we're already I remember getting into crypto at a 500 trillion market cap. I remember when the whole coin gecko, it was like 5 to 650 trillion. And then I remember, watching at 800 trillion for a while. And then we're at, what are we now? Total. What are we now, dude? Let's check it. I think it was like 2.687 trillion market cap right now. So yeah, we have a ways to go. We're a quarter through. We're a quarter through, potentially what this thing could be. I feel like I really think we can hit 10 trillion. I think we can hit 10 trillion. Ethereum alone might hit 1 trillion. You know, Maybe this cycle, maybe not. But I mean, Ethereum's going to be a $1 trillion coin. There's a lot of money to be made, guys. Just don't fuck it up. Just don't fuck it up. Myro's another one. I have a bag of Myro. Yes, Myro. Get ready for a total. Yep. So, yeah, man. I mean, shit. I need to look into what was that guy saying? Does anybody know much about this one here? Omikami. I know Ryoshi's project. I haven't looked into it. Does anybody have any alpha on this? What like tell me more about this, the humbled one. Let's share some alpha. Where are you tuning in from, by the way? Where are you tuning in from? It looks like you like guns. I like guns too. I lived in Dallas for 8 years. And I have a nice little arsenal myself. What do you think of Biden on ETH? Actually, Australia, awesome, mate. Australians are funny as shit. I was on a boat cruise 2 weeks ago. Well, about 3 weeks ago. We did like a Hawaiian island boat cruise with my family. My wife, my kids, and I got a whole bunch of family from New York. And there was a shitload of Aussies on this boat cruise. Like, we were at the comedy show, and good day. And like, we were at the comedy show, and then the comedian was like, "How many?" Like, because like he was picking on people in the crowd, and like some of them were Aussies. And you were like, "How many Australians?" And like literally like half the theater was like screaming like Australians. I'm like, holy crap, a lot of Australians on this ship. It was funny. And you guys are hilarious too. Good people. Okay, let's take a look at what Mojo said super quickly. Biden on ETH. I haven't actually looked at Biden on ETH. Let's go to Ethereum here. What is this, my bread bag? Okay, let's take a look at Biden. Oh, that's going to be another huge narrative, guys. Political memes. Oh my God. Political memes are going to be fucking huge. So I'm thinking of jumping in T Mania on Sol, but I'm actually still looking at it right now. So we got 900,000 liquidity, 250,000 in volume. I wonder what is the total volume on this thing. Let's actually just take a look at Biden. Oh my God, Hunter Biden's laptop. Okay, here, Biden and ETH. Oh, it's taking me to Gecko Terminal. Verify I'm human. Okay. All right. So this is only showing me it's only showing me. So what do we got? 900,000 liquidity here. We got another 38,000 here. It doesn't look like there's a lot. Is it only this pair? Put it on the daily. God. Is this the only market we have for Biden on ETH? Is this it? Let's take a look at Twitter. 1,500 followers. Am I looking at the correct one? I mean, this has got to be it, right? This is the biggest one, Biden ERC. Right, homie? Yo, Is this the correct one? Success Kid will do a 1,000 to 10K run easy. Just listed it last week. XT just listed it last week. Yes, correct one. So, oh shit. Let's take a look at it again. Book of Meme. I got to cross some of these out. Sorry, guys. Okay, here we go. So it's trading at a penny. I mean, the high was at basically almost 4 cents. Actually, I like to make this 1 pixel and I like these white. All right. So, I mean, it looks like it's gaining strength, to be honest. And it looks like we're bouncing off of some support over here. Let me open this up a little bit. Bear with me. So if we take a look at this chart here, I mean, we're literally bouncing off kind of these lines in here, this support right here. All right, this pivot right in here, we're bouncing off of that pivot. And it looks like we came down, we bounced up, we're bouncing again. As long as we hold this 1 penny range for a while and start trending upward, I think you're okay. But I mean, if you break that, you could test a lower, 0.005, half a penny. It could come back down to a half a penny. I don't know. I mean, I'm not really looking at this. I haven't been looking at it. You got 2,000. It's, very small holders. It could be big in the future, but I mean, who's really going to be voting for Biden? Like, I don't know. Like, I think most of these crypto people, I think most of these crypto guys around the world, I think we're all kind of like on Trump's side. So, I mean, it could pop. You got 247,000, trading volume. I mean, I would just watch this area here, because we could come back down to a half a penny, give or take. So I don't know. I wouldn't get it. I'm not into. I wouldn't get anything Biden related personally. But if we hold the penny and start trending upward and building, going sideways, then I think you're going to be okay, unless some big whale comes in and just starts buying it up. But yeah, so that's my little analysis on Biden coin, whatever that does. Check out Cheers on Sol and Clo on Sol. Cheers on Sol is a winner too. Check out Justin Egg. Yeah, I heard about Justin Egg. Let's check out Cheers on Sol. I appreciate the input, my dude. Thank you. No problem, Mojo. All right, let's check out Cheers. Let's go back to Sol. We're at Blast, Ethereum, Base, Solana. Cheers. Okay. DiCaprio. Is this it? Is this the one up here, guys? Like, let me know. This is probably it. You got 177,000 liquidity. You got Pepe Cheers, which is there's nothing really there. I'm assuming this is it. Let me check the chat. Only get the Trump coins at the moment. I totally agree. I have to recheck T-Mania. So after we check out Cheers, I want to go back to T-Mania. Okay, he said that's it. So let's take a look at this DiCaprio coin. Hilarious. Okay, so we got 177 liquidity, 1.5 million market cap, 6,000 holders, 71,000 volume, not bad for a small market cap coin. It looks like, I mean, it looks like we did kind of bottom here. Let me just quickly draw some trend lines. So it does look like we bottomed right about here. Right. We did have a little mini local top at 002. You know, I mean, it's a brand new coin. When did this thing come out? March 24th, March 23rd, April, May. So, I mean, I don't know. It's been kind of like chopping sideways and just consolidating. It looks like, you know, just like eating up this pump here. It could, I mean, this could be something, you know. I can't, obviously, like, I can't jump into everything, but I don't know. Let's check out the socials. Like, what do you guys have any alpha on Cheers? Like any behind the scenes 2,000 followers? Oh, this guy's following it. Mario's following it. I'll follow official Cheers account. Listing on coin store soon. Let's go to the moon. This is on April 11th, so it's already probably there. We're thrilled to have Coin Gains 9 on board and proud holder of Cheers. His recognition of our token is immense. 1,000 potential fuels our excitement for the journey ahead. Here's to more collaboration with Crypto Gains. So, I mean, hey, 149 likes. Where is the most recent, like the last posts were like in May? May. Like what happened in the past couple months? They're not really updating. Well, never mind. No, there is no June post. What am I looking at? So what happened in the last month? There's nothing in the past like 3 weeks. So I don't know. It doesn't look like the socials are really popping recently. So that's kind of like I don't know. I wouldn't say a red flag, but just, you know, be careful. It's the most shared meme in the world. It is the most shared meme in the world. High risk, high reward. That's it. So you never know. I mean, something like that could just literally pop overnight and just start going to the moon. So, you know, high risk, high reward. If this thing can go up that high, or I can't believe this thing. Yeah, it's a $1.5 million market cap. If it goes to 100 million, you know, or 150 million, that's 100x from here. So you know, I don't know. It might be worth throwing a couple $100 at it on my end. I'll keep this in mind. I'll keep Cheers on my radar. You know, but I mean, what's up with the socials, man? The socials have been dead. Any of you guys looking at these Tate coins? RNT, real nigga Tate. That's hilarious. Real nigger Tate. Let's take a look at this thing. I know this has been popping. Hot number one. This one's like totally brand new. You got 47 million trading volume, 39 million market cap, 3.4 million. It looks healthy. This one looks pretty healthy. It's just, do you have the balls to get in right now? I don't know. You know, this looks like a 50% retrace right here. You know, let's just play around and just do a fib on this stupid thing here. So we're literally we're lower than that. Hold on, let me move this over. I'm gonna redo it. This is hilarious. Oh shit, what am I doing? So we're at the 618. which is a good little area. The 618 is a very popular retracement. It might be a good time to grab a little RNT, actually. I might pull the trigger on this one. This one, to me, this one seems more exciting than Biden. You know what I mean? Like, you got a lot of trading volume. You got still a low market cap. You got a lot of liquidity. Holy shit. I think I'm going to grab a bag right now, guys. I'm going to grab a bag. What do you think? Success Kid is a must, peeps. I promise. What do you keep talking about, Success Kid? What is this? Is this a meme? Like, what is Success Kid? Is that a coin? The humble one. What's going on, bro? Like, what? You keep saying Success Kid. What is that? All right. You know what? I think I'm going to I think I'm gonna like I'm gonna buy a Solana worth of RNT right now. I'm just feeling like a total degenerate. Soul Flare. All right, let's do it. Oh shit. All right. I'm probably gonna have to adjust my slippage. Let's just do 1%. All right, so I'm gonna be getting about, let's go back to the chart here, 0.03 cents. So with one Solana, I'll be getting 4,500 RNT. I'm aping into real nigga Tate right on the spot. Let's do it. Total degenerate I am. All right, I got it. We are done. Confirm transaction. Now I got some RNT. It's hilarious. Oh my god. Oh my god. Meme on Soul. Sick Kid looks good. Success Kid is a must, peeps. I'll check it out. Let's look at it quick. Andy on ETH looks super bullish. Not sure if I see a head and shoulders on a 4-hour though. Might dump my Pepe for Andy on ETH. Andy on ETH does look good. I'm not gonna lie. Andy on base does look good. What's the deal with RNT? RNT is real nigga Tate, man. Come on, real nigga Tate. Oh shit. Andy on ETH looks super. Okay, I read that meme on Soul. Let's look at Success Kid. Let's just check out Success Kid. Yeah, Andy on Ethereum looks good. Andy on base looks good. I mean, this is literally bull flagging over here. Andy on base. I'm gonna add, dude. I'm gonna add a half a ETH to this. Okay, let's just take a look at Success Kid. Success. Oh, this other meme. Okay. Dude, I've used this in one of my presentations back in the day. This meme. What are we looking at? 400K volume, 9,000 holders, 8.86 million market cap. Wow, this does look pretty good. This does look good. We're literally pretty much bouncing on support right now. I mean, we kind of broke this high pivot, but if you take the general line, kind of like down in here, we're okay. We didn't close below this area, so we bounced up As long as we stay over here, I think we're fine. But I mean, this thing was at 24 cents. Shit, pretty good volume. This is a good one, guys. Thank you for pointing this one out to me. Um, something like this looks interesting to me. You know, I like to see some volume. Follow 6,400, the greatest meme of all time. Oh man, this looks fun. This looks fun. Yo, the humble one. You must be a total degenerate. Sick. S Kid looks good too. Andy on ETH will get more listings like Brett. Yeah, I agree. Brett on base got only a 50x in it. Yeah. Get Andy on ETH or base now. Yeah, I agree. I agree. Yo, the humble one. Yeah. I love it. I love it, bro. I love it. Yep, I agree. Andy on ETH or base right now is a good buy. You got much more potential than Brett. Brett's probably going to get to I don't know. What do you think Brett's going to get to? A 50 billion market cap? Do you think? The humbled one. The humbled one. Let me ask you a question. What market cap do you think memes will get to? Just memes. Let's actually look at it right now. Let's look at the market cap of memes right now. What the hell? Base memes. Can you believe base memes alone is a category? What the hell? Something's wrong here. Oh, here it is. Meme. We're at a what's the market cap of all memes? I think, is it showing here or am I just blind? 63 billion. Here we go. It's a $63 billion market cap right now. The meme market, 63.2 billion. God, you know what would be crazy if we get to a $1 trillion market cap on memes? I think it's possible. I mean, that's only like a 15x from here. I'm bullish on Brett base up only 2,000. Brett on base will hit 75. Holy fuck. Do you think so, bro? Do you think Brett on base is going to hit 75 billion? Fuck. That's I don't know where you're getting all this your confidence from, but goddamn, bro. That's like tell me this. What do you think the meme coin market cap is going to be at by the peak of the bull? Do you think we will hit $1 trillion market cap? I think so. I really think so. I mean, Brett contributing to I mean, even if we get up to like 750 million, Brett would be 10% of it. That's what I figured. I figured 1 trillion. But you're saying minimum 1 trillion. I think 1 trillion will be the peak, you know, maybe close to it. But if you're saying minimum, think bigger. Love it. Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know, bro. Crazy. Crazy, crazy shit. Guys, everybody on here, you guys got to know that we are in for some exciting mother effing times. Super exciting. Yo, the humbled one. You guys probably got a lot of these little mini trucks in Australia, right? I think these are popular in Australia. Kendu on ETH is the next SHIB 100%. I agree, Brett. On base, I have target of 50 to 75 billion. God damn. Have you guys seen what's his name? This kid on this kid that's on Twitter and YouTube. His name is Crash. He's like a 25-year-old kid or whatever. He put like 15,000 into Brett at the very beginning, and now it's like his portfolio is like a $10 million in Brett or whatever. Ooh, that kid's crazy. Pretty cool. Pepe will lead the run, then his friends. Yeah, I agree with that. I agree with that. But now we got Pepe, right? We got regular Pepe on ETH, but then we got Pepe Coin. Have you looked into Pepe Coin? Kyle Chase is very, very huge on Pepe Coin. Let me show you what Pepe Coin is. And he's saying like that's the original Pepe, not the Pepe that we're all looking at. So let me search. Let me just go Pepe. So we got this Pepe here, right? This is the one everyone's looking at. But then you got Pepe Coin, which is supposed to be the original OG coin. This one here, which is at $4.38. If you take a look at this coin, like there's a lot of things behind it. There's like the brain, the Pepe brain, and then the farming. There's like a lot of shit going on. I haven't really spent a lot of time into it because obviously I got so many other cryptos that I'm, you know, managing and all that. But this is some crazy shit here. Does anybody on here know much about this whole Pepe coin? Um, Pepe Coin IO, Twitter. Kyle Chase is saying this thing is going to literally go bananas. Like, and I've seen his portfolio. Like, he mistakenly showed his portfolio on his thing. He had like a couple $1 million in this, literally. Look, Pepe Coin established 2016. Based AI, get based AI. It's like literally you stake your Pepe coins, right? And you farm it, and then you get some other farmed coin. It's basically a staking protocol thing. I like I said, I haven't done a lot of research on it, but this is supposedly supposed to be the original Pepe coin, and it's fucking trading at $4.38. It was like at $6. Let's go, Max. It was actually higher. It was at 745 at one point. He literally talked about it here, and I remember looking at it and like was gonna pull the trigger, and then the day after his video, it went up to fucking almost eight, yeah, like 775, 745, literally like a couple days later. And this is when I was looking at it, but then I never got the dip. I don't know. I feel like I missed it, It's already at it's a half a billion dollar market cap. But I don't know. I don't know, guys. Crash is rumored to be a dev behind Brett. Never heard that one. Never heard that one, Crypto King. What's the narrative behind Kendu? I don't know. Anybody have any alpha on Kendu? I have no idea. Yo, we got 19 people on here, man. Like, hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button, and all you people who are on here who never commented and said, like, typed in where you're tuning in from, type in the chat. Let me know where you're tuning in from, man. We got some Aussies in the house. We got some people from Zimbabwe in the house. We got Hawaiians in the house. We got people from Alabama. Like, type it in the chat where you guys tuning in from. Pepe Coin will eventually overtake Pepe on Ethereum. Twitter. They also have based AI projects intertwined. This team is so dope. They are my dude. This is what I've been hearing. Like what? Like DLO crypto. Yo, what is the your projection for Pepe Coin? It's at $4 right now. What is this thing gonna go to? Like what market cap? Like give me some numbers. Where is this thing expected to hit? Like let me know. Aloha from Cali. What's going on? Calabas crypto. Bro, dog shit Inu USDT is looking bullish on the 4 hour. Dog shit Inu. Love it. Pretty hilarious. How many of you guys on here, just a question, are total crypto newbies? Like newbies meaning you've been doing this for like 3 months, 3 months, 4 months, maybe 5 months. And how many of you guys on here been in crypto for more than a year or 2 years? Just like type in the chat. I just want to know, like, what's going on, like, with you guys. Like, give me some feedback. All right. Candice Dev is a SHIB OG. He's friends with Shioshi. Project is going into the billions. He wants to kill Pepe. 6 years. Nice. Teddy McDowell. 6-year OG in the house. Okay, let's take a look at what coin are we talking about here? Overtake Pepe on Ethereum, Twitter. I read that. Candice. So where can I learn more about Candice? What chain are we looking at? On Ethereum? I'm assuming Ethereum. Candice on Ethereum. Is that the ticker? Let's look at Candice. Kendus. Did I spell it right? No, this is not it. I'm not searching the correct thing. Kendu. Okay, Kendu. Kendu. All right, let's take a look. Kendu on ETH. Kendu. Okay, here we go. Kendu Inu. Kendu Inu. No market cap here. What's the total market cap? Does anybody know what the market cap of Kendu is? Shit. Where are we trading at? Oh, this guy's all on Dexes only. I don't know what L Bank is. Galaxy, Uniswap. All right, let's pull it up on let's pull it up over here. Oh shit, I can't forget about Success Kid. All right, let's change this Roost coin over to Ethereum and let's look at Kendu. Kendu. Okay, 2.2 million liquidity here. V3 got 507, 10K. All right, let's check this out. Wow, we got a 45% pop overnight, number 2. Holy fuck, it's too late, bro. I missed it. Oh my God. It's too late. It's too late. This is too late. This is like way too late for me to get in. 8,000 holders, 188 million, 2 point. Yo, what's going on with this, man? Like, I'm waiting for a pullback now. Holy shit. Yo. Bird Dog, 129%. Yo, I'm not going to lie, but man, these Ethereum meme coins are hot. Excuse me. Cornwall, Canada, great show. What do you think of Easy B and Couples? I'm new to meme coins. The last bull run, I never participated in them. I didn't make any significant money. Memes is all new to me this bull run. Well, let me tell you what. Memes are the meta this bull run. Memes, probably, I mean, AI, of course. There's going to be a lot of AI shit, real world assets. But I think memes, man, I think memes are going to blow people away. I mean, this is how we get people into crypto. memes. My first bull run. Well, welcome, bro. Welcome 1701 Patrick. Ready for Pepe. No, it's not too late. Still have a 300x, no major exchanges yet. All right, I'll keep it on my radar. Thank you, Crypto King. I'll keep this on my radar. If we do hit a little pullback, because this is a fucking huge pump overnight. If we do hit a pullback, maybe a 50% retrace, I will definitely add maybe a quarter ETH or a half an ETH. I like to DCA into my position, guys. I learned a while ago. You don't want to blow your entire load at one shot. You kind of want to savor it, So if you're looking to put an ETH into a position, break it up into, 4 or 5 bullets, and then jump in, because you could get a better entry, overall. So yeah. Cool guys. I really appreciate this. I had a lot of fun today. Teddy McDowell, look at Kitty. All right, Titty. Titty where? Look at Kitty where? Where? Tell me where. What chain? I want to say I had a lot of fun today, much more fun than yesterday. I only had 10 people on the stream. Today we had up to 20, which is amazing. I just want to say thank you everybody for hanging out. Had a lot of fun, like talking about the meme coins I'm looking at, and also looking at coins that you guys are saying to look at, which is awesome. This is great. I love it. Hopefully we all make killer money this coming run. We have a lot of time left. I think I want to kind of dive deeper into political memes a little bit more, because I think those are going to really pop off as we get closer to the election, especially Trump coins. So definitely Trump coins, but what Trump coin? Because there's so many, and there's going to be many more popping up as as the months progress, I think. All right, let's go to Kitty on Soul quick, and then we'll call it a day, guys. I've been on for a while, and I need to do some house chores. I gotta do things around my property here. Okay, Kitty. Success. I don't want to lose this one. Success Kid. That one's popping out to me. So we'll take a look at Kitty. Roaring Kitty, right? Yep, that's probably the one you're talking about. Let me know quickly. Is that it? Is it the Roaring Kitty one, or is it this other one, which I don't think it is? Kitty AI? No, no way. It's got to be Roaring Kitty. Yeah, it has to be. Let me double check with you. Yeah, first one. Okay. Yeah, I thought so. Fucking Roaring Kitty, my God. The GameStop fucking shit continues. 2.96 million 24-hour trading, 20 million market cap, give or take, 15,000 holders. Shit. This looks... I need to change this so we always... I'm just going to kind of mark this high pivot. So we're literally bouncing off the initial high pivot right now. Probably a good entry. This is probably a good little small bullet entry if anybody wants to get in on this. I would nibble here. I need to look at it a little bit more first. Let's take a look at Twitter. How, guys, let me know in the chat, how is the lagging on this stream? Is it okay? Because yesterday I was streaming from in the bus and it was pretty horrible. 7,600 followers. Wow, we got some pretty good followers on that. It's a slow build, but we'll get there. Don't lose faith. Roaring Kitty on Soul. Could it be here for the long run? These guys are looking at the 1 hour. I tend to like to look at the daily chart. I mean, we could, move it over to the 4 hour. Let's take a look at the 4 hour chart. Wow, I mean, literally, we were like dead for a long time here. When did this thing launch? Like, what's up with it? This thing launched on March 30th. Wow. Look at this. Like, fucking nothing for months. And then, boom, right when he fucking got. When was this? May 12th. Literally, we had this pop and then boom. Shit. Well, this is the 4 hour chart, but yeah, this 4 hour chart is looking pretty bullish. Coming back. We had a huge dump here though. God, look at that. But it is looking pretty bullish. I'm not gonna lie. No, it's really not gonna work. Probably if we go from that pivot low. What's up, Louie? What's up, Louie? Don't worry, buddy. I'll feed you. I got my big ass shepherd here. I think he's hungry. Louie, boy, say hi. Say hi. Hey, boy. Cool, guys. GameStop, baby. Okay, I'll definitely check this one out. I'll check this out later. Hey guys, we'll stream about these two tomorrow. We'll talk about these. Benja, come on and tune on tomorrow with me around the same time. I might go earlier. It's just with my schedule and all. I don't know if I want to be streaming at the same time every day or just jump on kind of randomly, but it's going to be during the day, my time. I know you guys are tuning in from all over. Anyway, guys, I want to say thank you for tuning in today, and I'll be I'll be streaming tomorrow, give or take the same time. All right, maybe a little earlier. All right, guys, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like button, share, subscribe, yada yada yada. I'll see you guys later. Aloha, guys. Thank you for tuning in. See you tomorrow. Peace. Mahalo. Thank you guys again. I had some good conversations with some of you in here. Crypto King. Who else? The Humbled One. Couple of guys in here. Really good guys. See you guys. Talk to you later.